Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all grab your keys, your phone, and your running shoes because we have some run deals to talk about. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other videos that you might want to go and check out. We have new coupons, new glitches, new clearance markdowns, penny list information. Plus, I did upload a video last week going over month-long savings and exclusive coupons. So if you've missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. Everything's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please pause the video right here and read through all of the tips that I've left for you on this screen. And don't forget that the deals are in the details, so please watch the video all the way through. It helps me, and it helps you, and it helps me help you. So watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any important details, and you can get in on all the crazy deals. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, we did talk about this a little bit in yesterday's video. We received this new P&G coupon for 10 off 30. It is a DG store coupon, so we can stack it with manufacturer coupons. And the big question was, will this stack and work with our 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon that we also just received yesterday? So I ran out. I did try a couple of different scenarios. I tried it at the old register and the new registers, and unfortunately it is not stacking. But I was thinking about this last night, and I think I may have a way that we can get both of these coupons to work together. So I'm going to try that out later on today. If I have any updates, I will post it in the pinned comment down below and also on the community tab. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Now, the good news is that even without that Gain DG store coupon stacking with this P&G coupon, we still have some fantastic deals to talk about. And I'm going to let you guys be the judge on whether we're going to call this a glitch or not. So make sure that you all stay tuned, watch the video all the way through because we are going to be discussing multiple deals in this video. Now, like I said, we can stack manufacturer coupons with this P&G DG store coupon. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at a few different coupon matchups that are out there. You may also have some exclusive coupons on your account, so double check for those. But this way, if you guys get into the store and they're out of stock of an item, or if you would just rather substitute one item for another item, we have a lot that are around the same price point, and we do have digital coupons for all of these products that we're taking a look at right now. Also, once you guys are in the store, do not forget to scan. You want to scan every single item and make sure that P&G DG store coupon shows up underneath every item you want to pick up with the deal. And also be careful about your manufacturer coupons as well. Scan, make sure that they attach, because as we all know by now, P&G are changing the sizes, so that can affect whether or not the coupon attaches. Now, while we're taking a look at these coupon matchups, I'm going to go ahead and start talking about Ibotta because we will be incorporating some Ibotta rebates into our deals. So if you're not already signed up for Ibata, my referral code is going to be on the screen here in just a couple of seconds, and it is also in the description box and the pinned comment down below. So if you're not already signed up, if you want to use my referral code, you will receive some welcome bonuses. It used to be a $20 welcome bonus, but I think they have now dropped it down to a $10 welcome bonus. But either way, make sure that you use a referral code, that way you can get in on the extra savings. Now, if you are already signed up for Ibata, you want to make sure that you have your Dollar General couponing account linked, and you have to do that through the Ibotta app. So open up your Ibotta app, click on Dollar General, and it should walk you through step by step. It is super simple, quick, and easy to link your account. Now, I know that a lot of you guys have been around for a while, so you will remember all of the changes that Ibotta made when Walmart came up with their Walmart Cash system, and we also have DG Cash now. So they basically tried to make it to where we could not combine any coupons with any rebates. If we used the coupon, it was not going to be eligible for the rebate. And as a lot of y'all may know, a lot of the rebates at Walmart and DG will say in the fine print cannot be combined with manufacturer coupons. So over the weekend, we had 2 rebates pop up on the Downy Rinse and Refresh. Now, these are brand new rebates. We have not had them before, at least for Dollar General. So I'm not quite sure if Ibotta did this intentionally or not, but either way, as of right now, the rebates do not say anything about cannot be combined with manufacturer coupons. It doesn't say that anywhere on the rebate. You can scroll up and down. Now, can they change that at any time? Yes, they can. And I've actually had this happen to me before where I posted the deal, the rebate was up, everything was working, and then like a day or two later, Ibotta went in and they added cannot be combined with manufacturer coupons. So you guys be careful. I would definitely go ahead and screenshot the entire rebate top to bottom. That way, if you do run into any issues with getting your money back, you can submit a ticket through Ibotta, and that way you will have proof that the rebate did not say anything about combining with manufacturer coupons. Now, like I said, I did go out yesterday. I did try out a few deals, which we're going to take a look at here in just a second, but I did receive my cash back on Ibotta, so I can confirm that it is working. But I want you guys to keep in mind that these Ibotta rebates and DG cashback deals are not instant. Sometimes they are, sometimes they instantly show up on our accounts, but sometimes we have to wait a few hours. Sometimes we have to wait a few days. I have waited up to 7 days to receive my DG cashback. So y'all keep that in mind, and now let's go ahead and take a look at some deals, shall we? So first up, you want to pick up 2 of the Downy scent beads at $10.95 each, 1 of the Downy rinse and refresh at $6.95, and 1 of the Gain fireworks at $4.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $33.35. And here's the list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After everything has been applied, you're going to pay $12.40 for 4 items, but then with the Ibotta rebates, we are going to get back $3.50 on that small Downy rinse and refresh. That's going to make your final price $8.90 for 4 items, making each one just $2.22 each. Now, if you guys want to save this deal until Saturday and pair it up with your 5 off 25, that's going to make your final price $3.90 for 4 items, making each one just 97 cents each. Our second deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Downy rinse and refresh at $12.95 each, and 1 of the Downy rinse and refresh at $6.95. That's going to put your subtotal at $32.85. Here's your list of coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. After coupons, you're going to pay $10.85 for all 3 items, but we are getting back a total of $9 on Ibotta, making our final price $1.85 for 3 items. Now again, if you want to do this deal on Saturday, that's going to make it even better. That's going to make your final price completely free, plus a $3.15 moneymaker. Now for our last deal, you want to pick up 1 of the Gain or Tide laundry detergents at $9.95, 1 of the Downy rinse and refresh at $12.95, 1 of the Downy rinse and refresh at $6.95, and 1 of the Gain fireworks at $4.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $34.35. Here's your list of coupons. After coupons, you're paying $10.80 for 4 items, but you're getting back $9 from Ibata, making your final price $1.80. Now, if you want to save this deal for Saturday and do it with 5 off 25, after coupons, you're paying $5.80, getting $9 back from Ibata. Final price completely free, plus a $3.20 moneymaker. Now, switching gears to our Dr. Pepper DG store coupon, it is still glitching. This week, we have the 12 packs on sale, 2 for $13. After the sale on the coupon, you're paying $9 for 2. Or if you want to pick up the 6 packs, they are on sale 4 for $12. After the sale and the coupon, you're paying $8 for 4, making each one just $2 each. Woo! Guys, I think I have included all of the information. If I think of anything else, I will leave it for you down in the pinned comment below. Y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals to share with you all. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.